So your top story here at this noon hour, we're learning more about a lawsuit filed on behalf of the victims of the Poway synagogue shooting.
So the shooting happened back in April of 2019. 60-year-old Lori Gilbert Kay was killed. 3 others were hurt, including Rabbi Israel Goldstein. CBS 8's Kelly Hessedall is explaining what's behind that lawsuit.
This lawsuit was filed 2 years ago, and today there was a big development in civil court. We learned that a settlement has been reached between the victims of the Poway synagogue shooting and the parents of the gunman. Take a look inside the courtroom.
I believe, Mr. Juskie, we're here because your clients have settled the case?
Correct, Your Honor.
Can anything you would like me to do today?
Only enter the order, Your Honor.
Okay. Anyone have any objection to the settlement? I hear no response. I hear no responses.
And so it appears that the legal battle for the parents of the gunman, at least this chapter, may be over. I did talk to their lawyer briefly after the hearing to ask about the terms of the settlement. However, he said it is confidential, so we don't know right now the amount they settled for or the terms of that agreement. Meanwhile, there are still many other defendants named in this lawsuit. Gun manufacturer Smith & Wesson accused of negligence in marketing the gun, an assault-style semi-automatic rifle that can be modified to fire automatically. The Chabad of Poway accused of failing to provide enough security to prevent this shooting from happening in the first place. San Diego Guns, the shop who sold the gunman the weapon, even though he didn't have a valid hunting license, which was needed since he was under the age of 21 when he bought it. So we're talking about nearly a dozen attorneys all involved in this case. Some appeared in person for the hearing, others appeared from other cities across the country. One attorney did ask if the judge would consider separating some of these lawsuits. However, he declined. Another development in court today, attorneys for the plaintiffs announced that they will be suing another party. However, they declined to name who that party is. We do know that all sides are expected back in the courtroom in December. Kelly Hessedall, CBS 8.